3 Island was used as a test site. They are connected by a road. Road is used for construction the device and transport the different materials. Mike device look like a factory, not a weapon. The bomb weight was 74 metric tons. This bomb was designed by Richard Garwin. In this bomb liquid deuterium was used as a fuel for the fusion reaction. In order to produce liquid hydrogen and deuterium, cryogenics plant was built near it. In order to run this cryogenics facility, a 3,000 kilowatts power plant was also constructed. The entire bomb was housed in an aluminium building. Its length was 27 meter, width was 14 meter and height was 19 meter. It had a signal tower of 91 meter high. For communication with the control room that was located in a ship named as USS Estes, television and radio signals was used. This design is for experimental purpose. It is not suitable for used in rocket as a deliverable weapon. But this idea was used for multi-megaton detonations. It was the 8th series of American nuclear tests. The test was conducted after tumbler snapper and before upshot knot hole. In 1952 two test was conducted at Iniraq Atoll in the Marshall Island. First test named as Mike was conducted on October 31, 1952. Second test name as King was conducted on November 15, 1952. It was a first successful test in the world. This hydrogen bomb was 500 times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Nagasaki. It created a hole in underwater that is 6,240 feet, 1.9 kilometers, wide and 164 feet, 50 meters, deep. Hydrogen bomb is different from atomic bomb, because it uses the energy release from the reaction of two nuclei or fuse to make a heavier nucleus. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.